Get that sound. I can feel it right here. You don't have to sit back. Oh, it's right.
All right, guys. Let me see if I'm working. Yep.
You did 2 generations back.
So I'm over here doing a V2 at Charlotte Motorcycles again. Road ride. Hey, my man Robin, he go wipe me out. This is brand new, and there ain't been no miles on this thing. They put the Acura Pro with slip on it. So take it easy. See how I feel. I come up from a test road to V4 to this. So we go see. Nice little bike though. See? All right. Yeah. You gotta get used to this little thing. Throttle is really nice. So the light, I don't know if it's the engine. What? Yeah, we're fogging up again. Dang it. Quick shifting is smooth. This will be a track whip right here, for real. Yeah. Might be a second bike. Y'all can see. Questions, comment in the bottom. Let me know what you're thinking. Slip on is lovely. This thing feels like a V4. Really comfortable. It is really, really light. Really light. Okay, this will be a commuter bike. Yeah, this will be a track weapon for real. Get used to the shift. I'm gonna shift it with my hand for right now. Tires. Electronic goodies that the V4 has. Any questions you have or you want to look it up on the website, I suggest you do it because I'm trying to concentrate on it. Concentrate on riding it. See if I can get the bike in the shot too. This seat, I keep saying the seat, but the seat is comfortable. Just got 11 miles on it, so yeah, I'm not messing around. This thing got 2 cylinders. It really, really is. enjoyment out of 2 cylinders. I would never know. Oh, have mercy. That's how you do a test ride, ladies and gentlemen. Put in the higher gear, so what happens. That's how you do a test ride. Romney for president, goddammit. I make that shit. Yeah, get some of these bike prices down. Do they work? Oh man, good food. Construction. Yeah, he might change his mind about going. That's why I'm giving him room. Okay. Well, extra long, extra ride. It's nice. That damn. Good gracious. It's just nice. Dash just like it. It's got a temperature gauge up here. It says 208 degrees Fahrenheit. Clock, street. It's in baby mode. I'm gonna let you know that now because this is brand new. It's at 13 miles on it. See it? Hey. Y'all need to test ride this joker. If y'all think about spending 16 grand, I would. Damn sure would. This might be a track bike right here. All day. Every day. Questions, comments, concerns? You might want to subscribe to the channel now that I done put 2020 Ducatis on the road for y'all enjoyment. I'm doing this for fun. And if it turns to a full time, I'm gonna love it even more. Dirt, food. And it's not hot. Anybody think it's hot? It's not. Not hot at all. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying my best. Can't really. Can't really talk over the exhaust. Glad I rode the V4 we put the aftermarket on. That thing was gnarly. Yes, and I use the word gnarly. And it guys, it's what? 955 cc's. The engineer has come a long way. And it still has the 2-year unlimited mile warranty. So he gonna get on the highway and throw it Yeah, take it right here, buddy. Is it Womack approved? Yes, it is. Oh, hell yeah. I'm still getting the 4.4 though. I'm still getting the 4. Lord, this is a track bike. Yeah, we gonna think about that end of the year. But 16 ain't bad at all. See, I can probably put some Carbon fiber wheels on the pipe if it passed the regulations at the track. It's comfortable too. My ass feels good. It's like Charmin. There is no mistaking. This is a Ducati. No mistaking whatsoever. Beside 18-wheeler and it's draft. I'm just thinking about it now. I'm not moving around nothing. Man, it's small white, but it's nice. We're gonna see how much engines are. Black market. Get two bikes. Be on the track. He will be trying to kill himself. Look at this road. Trying to jump in front of the 18-wheeler. Why not just slow down, dude? And the 18-wheeler trying to get the right lane. Y'all need to come here and just ride this thing, for real. Easy to neutral. Red. Trying to check the lights. KevinFoggedUp.com. 194. Nice. I keep saying nice. I know my mind's messed up because I ain't really got a that's me shifting, not a quick shift. That penis is hard. I'm being vocal, but I don't care. I think it's nice. Nice. Now I see why people have Ducatis. I had failed to do Ducati Master for the last time. Boy, watch out for this. Oh, this is rubber down here. So this is like 16,000 MSRP. I don't know how much your control system is. It's just a slip-on, people. And that's all you need for this. That's all you need for this, bro. And it's, look, I'm barely touching the throttle and it's stable at low speed. So any problem with any glitchy throttles in the past, done. Yeah, let me park this thing. Give you a sign. kickstand better. So go ahead and look at it right quick. Hit the throttle. All right, here we go at Charlotte. Ducati Triumph Motorcycles. Come down and check it out. See your man Rodney. Whew, Lord have mercy.
How you like it?
That's gonna be my track bike.
Huh?
That's gonna be my track bike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, it's got a lot of damn power to it. Gracious. Okay. You want to tell the audience anything about the bike?
Well, I mean, you're the first one to ride it. You got more to say than we do.
Yeah, and like I said, people just questions, comments. If you don't look up the
Stop at Motorcycles in Charlotte. Come see us.
there you go. That damn thing. And it's only 16. Good God. Jesus. All right, I'm out. Like and subscribe, please. There'll be more content coming. I will be picking up my V4 though. Seriously. Peace.